Today we're going to show you how a leveling kit, wheels, and tires really transforms the look of your 2019 Chevy Silverado. One thing that drives most truck owners nuts is that their trucks are not level. So the front is typically 2 inches lower than the back. So for example, on this truck, we're gonna measure the ride height in the front, right around 22 inches. Let's go check out what the back looks like. The back is about 23.5 inches. So what we're gonna do is put a spacer underneath the front strut that's gonna lift up the front of the truck to provide room for some really cool wheels and tires. So this is the leveling kit that we're gonna be installing today. This is a rough country lower strut spacer. And what this does is actually goes underneath the strut, which provides enough lift to lift the front suspension about 2 inches. One thing that's important to do is remove the tire pressure sensor from the old wheels and tires so that they can be transferred into the new wheels and tires. To do that, we take a little torque socket and take the screw out, and then the new valve stem actually has threaded portion in the bottom of it for the sensor to be screwed into the valve stem of the new wheel and tire. The wheels and tires that we recommended for this truck are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. We really love the Nitto Ridge Grapplers because they always balance out really, really well. This specific wheel is the Fuel Triton. This is a cast one-piece wheel that's gloss black and has milled accents in it. This specific wheel is a +20 offset, which is designed specifically for this truck to fit the big brakes on it. Really, it's gonna look good. Check it out. All right, here it is, the 2019 Silverado. We just wrapped it up. We pulled it off the alignment rack. We got perfect alignment specs. If you like this video, give us thumbs up. Tell us what you think of this truck, the wheels, tires combo, in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.